All right, we're going to first download Dart Sim from the App Store, and then we're going to open it up. You're going to allow the Bluetooth and network connections. You're then going to select organization sign in, and then for the email, you're going to type in the word key, all lowercase. So make sure the K is not capitalized. And then you're going to paste your key in the format shown here in the password section. Just make sure there's 3 underscores, no dashes. As you can see here, no dashes, only 3 underscores. If you see a dash in there like this, make sure you remove it. Very important. And if you have an extra space on the end, make sure you back that extra space out as well. You're then going to click sign in, and then your key will activate. Just make sure you're connected to the internet, and you can do so up on the top there. Make sure you're connected. Thank you for watching.